Just starting the Apple Orchard Falls Trail. There's the creek below the trail that we're going to be following up a good portion of the way. There's the trail we're going to be going up. Just listen to that water roll. It's a beautiful location. The trail wiggles its way up, zigzags, so it's not as oppressive. With the trail taking a sharp right turn in direction, we met up with a splinter stream off of the North Creek River stream, or creek stream. We'll be following this creek all the way up to the falls. Here's a primitive campsite right off the trail near the river, or the creek I should say, on the way up to Apple Orchard Falls. There's enough water there to let you whistle all night long. There's that creek. Getting near the top, the trail's getting a little steeper, but the water's running a little waterfall-y like. I don't know if that's the term for it, waterfall-y like. Well, not too far from the top. The stream is getting a little narrower in its channel. Still have to keep on hiking. So let's keep going towards the top, towards the falls. The trail's getting now even stiffer to climb, but we're really getting close to the top. Looks like something out of Disneyland. Now we get to go up that way. Now let's keep going. The bridge to the falls. There's the mountainside. Beautiful day. It's about 67 degrees. And very low humidity. This is the view as you walk into Apple Orchard Falls. Looks like the falls are really running hard today. We've had plenty of rain lately. Got a big boulder that's in there. You could sit here all day. Like the sun's coming around a little bit. There's the top of the falls. You can hike up there and watch the falls go down, or to watch the water go over as long as you don't. A little trickle of water over that way. I'd actually probably go underneath that one. More little falls over that way. See if you can see it. That right there, you can get underneath that. Here's a little picture from the far side going up the hill of the falls through the trees. There's the footbridge. And then there's the falls. You got some of the smaller stream down here, and you can get underneath that. Beautiful. There's the other side of the mountain. Ringing Mountain. Beautiful. There's some of the mountain terrain that we came up right through this valley. This is where we hiked up to the falls. Down through in here. Comes out through there, and then that's where it forks left and goes down North Creek. Boy, look at those mountains in the distance. Not just those, but then heck, there's ones even beyond that. What's that one way in the distance? Look at that, that's so far away. It's a little too distant, isn't it? Yep, there's plenty of hiking around here. And if you want to come up, I can help you find the way. It'd take years just to search for some of these places. Come on up and take a hike. Hey, how's everybody going?